Hello everyone, my name's Teacher Byron, and in today's class we are learning about self-introduction. If you have your course book ready, please take it out and go to page 4. Otherwise, you can download it from the links below. In today's class, I will tell you about me, and then you can also tell me about you. Let's get started. Today, we have a very special friend here to join us. So, I will ask the first question. Hello, what is your name? Hello, my name is Chimpy. What is your name? My name is Teacher Byron. How about you? What is your name? So you can say, my name is... Good. Chimpy, how old are you? I am 7 years old. How old are you? I am 30 years old. How old are you? You can say, I am years old. Very good. The next question, how are you? I'm great. How are you? I'm also very good. Your turn. How are you? You can say, I'm excellent. I'm fine. Very good. Chimpy, where are you from? I'm from the jungle. Where are you from? I'm from Australia. How about you? Where are you from? You can say, I'm from, and this is your country, China, Japan, Korea. I'm from... Good. Chimpy, where do you live? I live in Bangkok. Where do you live? I live in Chayapum. How about you? Where do you live? You can say, I live in, and then the city that you live in. Very good. Now, Chimpy, what school do you go to? I go to Bangkok Institutional School. How about you? Me? I go to Sunton Watana Primary School. How about you? What school do you go to? You can say, I go to, and then the name of your school. Good. Now, Chimpy, what subject do you like? I like PE. Teacher, what subject do you like? Me? I like English. How about you? What subject do you like? Now you say, I like, and then the subject. Very good. You can say, I like math, I like science, I like history. Now, Chimpy, what subject don't you like? I don't like English. Chimpy, you don't like English? How about you? Me? I don't like science. How about you? What subject don't you like? Now you say, I don't like. Good. Now let's read this one more time, but this time we read the questions together and the answer. Are you ready? The first one is, what's your name? My name is... Good. Number 2, how old are you? I am years old. Very good. Next one, how are you? You say, I'm... Good. And then, where are you from? I'm from... Good. Where do you live? I live in... Good job. What school do you go to? I go to school. Very good. Now the next one. What subject do you like? I like. Good. What subject don't you like? I don't like. Good. That's me. So now for homework, try to answer all the answers. You can try to read all the questions again, answer them and read the answers out, and then ask 5 people these questions. You can ask your mommy, your daddy, your teacher, your friends. Ask them, what is your name? How old are you? How are you? Where are you from? And then you can tell them about you. After you have practiced and done your homework, I will see you in the next class where we will learn something new and exciting. Thank you, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.